Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can install the Postman in the Ubuntu system. So it's quite easy. So you should have a snap here in Ubuntu, like all the Ubuntu versions will having this snap. So how you can do it, sudo snap install Postman. Okay, so just enter your password here and we'll wait for the few minutes. So it will start downloading the Postman and installing into your system. So let's wait for it. So basically once this installation is done, you will see into the so apps. Okay, so till now just pause the video. Once it's done, I'll be back. Okay, it's about to complete. So it's now 100%. So now again it's doing something. It's downloading the snap postman. Okay, version 11 is stable, I guess. So let's wait for it also to go up to 100%. Okay, so here you can see postman version this has been installed. There is one new warning, okay, that we can just ignore, no issues. So we just click on the show apps, and if you see this icon postman, just click on it and it will open up UI for you. So let's wait. Okay, just maximize the size. So here you can see you can work with APIs, or you can just continue without an account. So for now we'll just go for without an account. If you're working in any enterprise project or MNC, then in that case maybe you need to log in with your email. Okay, so just we can do open lightweight API client for now. I just don't want to go for the sign up for now. So we'll open the lightweight API client, and here you can see all the different types of the HTTP status and codes, not codes actually. So these are the HTTP methods. So get, post, put, patch. So whatever you want to use for your API testing or anything which you are testing, whether it's Node, Java, so you can use this application. So in this way you can install the Postman in Ubuntu, and that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.